5 reasons black windows are on trend. Dear friends, white is almost always the first color that comes to mind when choosing a color for your windows. In fact, the vast majority of windows sold are white windows. However, windows can be the perfect place to go bold and add black to your home. Black can instantly turn your windows from something overlooked to the focal point of any room. Why are black windows increasing in popularity? Here are 5 reasons black frames are on trend. 5 reasons black windows are on trend. 1. Black windows eliminate the need for window treatments. Just say no to heavy window treatments. Black windows are meant to be shown off and accent your home decor. 2. Dark window frames create a modern look. Black windows may feel outside of your comfort zone, but the end result will be a chic modern look. 3. Black window frames create high contrast. Black window frames work really well with white or light-colored walls, creating strong contrast. 4. Black windows provide the perfect frame for your view. Use black windows to create a stronger connection with the outdoors and blend your outdoor and indoor spaces. 5. Black window frames are timeless. The color black is elegant and goes with everything. No matter your home's decor, inside or out, black window frames will be the perfect pairing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.